cannot hit the face.
You can hit the privates.
No, you cannot. Can't hit the privates or face.
You
Ask me
can.
the first question.
When was I born? When's my birthday?
July 24th, 2008.
Very good. You shoot me.
No. If I get it wrong, you shoot me.
Oh, you got it right.
No, if I get it wrong, you shoot me.
Yeah, but you got it right.
Oh, so if I get it right, I'll shoot you? Not in the face or the privates.
No.
What? Say,
You shoot. Oh, guys.
I don't know how to do Nerf gun.
Okay, your turn. Your turn. Oh yeah. Your turn.
You gotta sit down. What do the symbols UFOs?
Unidentified flying object. Give me that.
You can't. You can't. Okay.
Okay, what? Okay. What is my favorite sauce?
Ketchup.
No. It's A1. Stand up.
Is that the camera?
Oh God! It's stuck in my socks.
Yeah.
Let's go. Baba tapatia.
What does the company CFAG stand for?
CFAG.
CFAG.
C. Carpets. F for CF. Carpet for every. G.
Clown fun and games.
Oh God. Oh. Okay. Let me think of this for a second. What does SPD
Clean that up.
stand for?
SPD.
Yeah, oh yeah, the bathroom was what was terrible. Yes, the bathroom was terrible. I don't know if you went in there. Clean this up. I don't know if you went in there, but.
Sudden but deadly.
Go up there. It's silent.
That's what I said.
But you said sudden.
You know.
What?
Bam.
Here, clean this up. Clean that up.
What?
Yeah, that's like hard water.
Bam's game show. Did you hear that out?
No. Yeah, I know about Bam's bad game show.
Game show. It only has 6 episodes. Okay. What does DGS stand for?
DGS. Dead dies silent.
Deluxe game set.
Pretty good. Yeah. Okay. Oh God. Turn on the balls.
I wasn't even aiming for it.
What the? Someone whistle. Okay.
When
someone in an elevator. Give me that freaking gun. Wait, it's not?
You gotta go in the bed.
Miss!
No, okay. Last shot. This is my last shot.
Hey, try to get this in there. Okay, that was your.
Dad was in there. You almost broke my finger. It actually hurts more than it hurts, guys.
Try to hit me with that. I'm gonna try to jump. No, I need to try to hit you. Do it again. Try to get me. Get the jump. Okay.
Trying to hit me. I was getting you more than you could get me.
You didn't hit me at all.
Yeah, I
I
hit
hit you one time. You didn't hit me at all.
I hit you 2 times.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did.
No, you didn't.
Got you?
No.
Yeah.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did.
No, you didn't.
You didn't.
I got you.
No, you didn't.
That's what you're like. That's what you're like.
No, that's not. You laugh one more time. This is mine. Oh, I said if you laugh one more time, I'll give it another try. Give me another try. Didn't even hit me.
Doesn't hit me from there.
No.
$20 and $30. Yeah, 20, some of them were like.
Got you.
Hey, once it comes back, once it comes back and I touch it, it doesn't count.
2-1. I had the 2, you had the 1. I almost got you. I'm winning right now, folks. 12 seconds left in the game. Will he win? Will he lose or make it a tie? He lost. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I win though. By 1 point.
That's my first answer. Now let's see how it slides.
No, you can't do that now. I told him.
We can't now. You missed me. You
I
missed
got
me.
you.
No, you didn't.
I'm done. So I
Hey, show
Oh.
the camera
the pipe. There's my dog Nova. showed it in a previous video. It's called the Red Hornet's Nest. Yeah. Yeah. Remember how we showed Nova in that previous video? Red Hornet's Nest?
Yeah.
That I was like, what? What do you want?
Yeah, we showed him.
No, no, God!
Get off the bed.
She
Get off the
sneezed
bed.
on me.
Get off the
Your
bed.
hand smells good. I don't know why.
She bit your butt.
That looks tasty. I need to drop it and see what happens. It's not gonna break.
No. Drop your camera.
Somebody dropped a camera from an airplane and it didn't break.
Without a case.
Yeah. I triple dog dare you drop it.
No.
I triple dog.
I triple dog dare you to, if I drop it, you get it.
Okay.
Crap.
Wait, what? It's gonna be cool. I'm gonna upload it on YouTube. It's gonna be long though.
No, you can skip some things. Bye.